How to export for YouTube in Kdenlive. First of all, once you have finished editing your project, click on the render button at the top toolbar or press Ctrl plus Enter. This will open the rendering window where you can adjust your export settings. Now, under the Render Project tab, select a suitable format from the list. For YouTube, choose the format as MP4, S.264 or AAC under the generic category. This is one of the most compatible formats for YouTube uploads. Next, choose your file location by clicking on the output file path. Make sure to save it with the .mp4 extension to ensure it works smoothly on YouTube. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 for Full HD or 1280 by 720 for HD depending on your project. Once all settings are reviewed, click on the Render to File button. The rendering process will begin and may take a few minutes depending on the video's length and complexity. When done, locate the file in your chosen output folder. Your video is now ready to be uploaded to YouTube. And that's it. Now you know how to export for YouTube in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.